What's going on, guys? So there were some questions on the Facebook group of the Woozy Audio 1001b not syncing and working correctly. So let's see if we can fix that problem. So I made a full video setting all this up. It'll be on the YouTube channel later on tonight as soon as I get done with this. These are both synced together, so you all know. I can't play too much music, obviously copyright, crazy. Now, if I remove this one, that one will play normal, because that's the primary speaker I hooked up. Now if I hook this one up, let me turn this down. Automatically syncs again and it's back to working. Now if I unplug this one will not sync. It's done. It says, whoops, no more. This phone's finicky with the screen. See? So, unfortunately, now we'd have to connect this one separate. So let's do that just to show what would happen. I don't even know if we can do it because it's technically in pairing mode. So let's see. What? We can. Let's see. And this is where people might mess up their memory, is actually doing this. So, come here. Playing fine. Let's see what happens when we plug in this one. They're both blinking. And they sync, no problem. That's actually new. Because before, you couldn't do that. You really couldn't. So, let's go ahead and let's see if we can replicate the issue that people are having. Let me forget this device. Let me forget all these devices just to make sure I get the right one. I got a lot of amps in here. Alright, so that should be all of them forgotten. So both of these should pop up. Well, let's watch one of these be it. Did not mean to click that. There's no more woozy, so we're good there. Start my Bluetooth search over again. We got one. Let's see which one it is. Looks like it's going to be that one. All right, let's unplug both of them. Plug this one back in, and let's plug this one to see if that jolts them back to both showing up. Nope, they're back to connected. So 1, 2, 3. Now they both showed up. So when the red light is on, so when it's flashing, it's finding. When it's solid, it's connected. So let's connect to this one. I think that's the right one, right? I don't know. Nope, that's that one. So let's see what happens if I take and I disconnect. Now pair to that one. And then pair this one 3 times. They connected. All right. Yeah, they're both working. I don't know, guys. I haven't been able to replicate what y'all are dealing with. Now, they're going to do a slow blink when they are connected. I thought they stayed solid, which they stay solid for a while, it looks like. And then this one went back to blinking. Let's see. Huh. So that one blinks, that one's solid. So primary must be solid. So let's test that theory just so we're aware. So let's disconnect that one. Let's hook up to this one. Okay, so that's blinking faster and it's about to disconnect. Two, 3, hit it 3 times to stop that. which one is which. Must have been the bottom one. Oh, it moved now. Cool. Okay, that one is going to be the primary. Go hook this one back up. It should auto connect, actually. That one's blinking fast. That one's not blinking. 1, 2, 3. They're both blinking. They linked up. Only this one's working. 1, 2, 3. And now I do have both of them connected right now, which could be messing it up. If you look, I got both of them connected. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. So now let's disconnect just one.
Every day I spend my time drinking.
It's also the play pause button. Okay, so looks like I'm getting to where y'all are. So that one's working, this one isn't. So let's see if we can fix this problem by, let's go ahead and disconnect. Let's go ahead and delete. Well, forget. Whoop, not iPad Max. Forget. Now, I'll come back here. Unplug power from both. Plug it in. Let's disconnect the one. Oh, forget device. That's weird. There it are. That one connected. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Technically, I only have to do that one. So I might stop this one. 1, 2, 3. Ah, yeah, that's what it is. Don't have them both. Just do it on that one. All right, so the primary, it's not going to be necessarily the one that's blinking or not, because that one is solid. That one is blinking. Now let's just make sure. Yeah. All right, guys. So unfortunately, I cannot replicate exactly what y'all are going through, but hopefully this helps y'all troubleshoot a little bit and possibly solve the issue. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comment below, guys.